It's that darn stubborn belly fat. It's caused by so much more than just overeating. It's stress, it's inflammation, it's that irritation in the body, and it just causes your body to store it right here.
You're trapped.
Yes.
And the hacks you have for us, will they really help with the belly fat, or just like a temporary solution?
No. It's nothing temporary. These are life hacks. So these are tiny, simple little things that you can do every day. Again, they're super simple, and if you do it, over time your belly's gonna get flatter and flatter and flatter. But we're tackling the real things. We're tackling hunger, we're tackling bloat, we're tackling dehydration, we're tackling the poor postural muscles, and we're tackling stress.
You guys interested? Yeah! I thought they would be coming over. Chris's first flat belly hack starts with breakfast, and he wants you to squash your hunger with this. So
Yes.
what is this, and what's the secret ingredient?
I mean, this is a cup of oats cooked with a scrambled egg. You put it right in there, and it all cooks up together, and it volumizes the heck out of those oats. So when you eat them, you're like, wow, I'm full on so many more levels than just one.
His next hack is a diuretic salad. Now, this for a flat belly is really pretty cool because, in theory, this should get rid of bloat.
Absolutely, and the average American consumes way too much sodium. We're talking 3,400 milligrams in a day when it needs to be a lot less. And so I love a good old diuretic salad because it's gonna help flush a lot of that unwanted bloat out. And that's gonna be instantaneous. I mean, that can happen within a day. So the main ingredients here are dandelion leaf and fennel. And then
Dandelion?
Dandelion.
Getting the weed here, what do you think?
Yeah, and along with it, I added a few other things. We've got some celery, we got some chicory, we got a few other things in there, but it's delicious. Added in just a little bit of a low sodium lemon vinaigrette, and no joke, that alone, this little concoction, I mean, this right here can help your body flush out a lot of that unwanted bloat in the belly area.
Yeah, and then
it's
I won't
really
have
cool.
to use my industrial girdle.
Exactly.
The next flat belly hack is the
going on
10
here?
gulp roll.
Yes.
I'm a little intimidated by this. What is a 10 gulp roll? Is it what
Don't
it
be
sounds?
scared. Hydration is so important. We always recommend getting at least half your body weight in an ounce of water every day for proper hydration. But unfortunately, most of us are chronically dehydrated. So our rule that we have lived by for years, every time that bottle touches your lips, you take 10 gulps before putting it down. And every time that you remember to drink, same thing.
10 gulps?
10 gulps.
So the next flat belly hack has to do with reducing stress, which is hard to do for most of us. You have a very different, you can use our body to reduce the stress.
Absolutely. And you know, there's a lot of things we can do to reduce stress. And everyone tells us, oh, you need more sleep. You need to spend some time meditating. Hey, and while that's great and while they're right, let's be honest, most of us don't have the time. We're sitting there in a cubicle, our shoulders are shrugged up, and before you know it, we're worried about deadlines and all these things coming in. We don't take the time to just de-stress and relax. So here's something that I've been doing for years, and it's helped a lot of our clients as well, just to get those cortisol levels down. Because remember, stress goes up, cortisol levels go up, and it tells our body to do what? Store belly fat.
Yep.
So anytime that I can stop and think about it, if just pressure's on, things are coming in, I'll stop, I'll stand up, 5 seconds, I tighten every muscle in my body for 5 seconds, and then I release it all. And I do this 3 times. Now ready? Tighten up with me for 5, 4, 3, 2, tighter, and release.
That feels good.
Isn't that wild?
Yes.
No, we do it one more time. Here we go. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2.
Well, you're not gonna knock me out of that.
And all of a sudden, isn't that something?
Yes.
It releases your whole body. Athletes will actually do this before they'll step into the arena or before any kind of big event. If they find themselves tensing up, the cortisol levels are up, adrenaline's up, they'll tighten and release, and sure enough, feels pretty good,
Yes,
doesn't it?
loosey-goosey.
Keeps you nice and
Now
loose.
it's your loosey-goosey. We saved the best for last.
All right.
We're bringing the big gun, someone who's near and dear to my friend's heart, Chris's heart. His wife, Heidi, is here. Now, Heidi... she's here not just to intimidate us, but she posted some exercise we're going to do right now on Facebook. 1.5 million hits. And it went viral in a very big way.
Wow.
So it is called the vacuum.
This is the vacuum with a twist. Yes, it's pretty amazing. I have to say, this hack is the only ab exercise I do, believe it or not.
You're kidding.
True story, true story. And after 4 babies, I swear it's what's responsible for a tight
4
tummy.
babies?
4 babies.
She
Yes.
pushed 4 out.
I did. I pushed 4 out. Yeah, and it's super simple. It
Were they in your belly, the babies?
I had one in this thigh, one in this thigh. No, yeah, all 4 of them in my belly. Yes.
If you did one exercise to look like that, I think we all should learn.
Yes. Okay. So this exercise, the thing I love about it is it works the muscles underneath the rectus abdominis. So under your 6-pack, this is a transverse abdominis. Super easy. We're gonna breathe in. Inhale. Get lots of air in those lungs. Go ahead and exhale all the air out. At the bottom of the exhale, I want you to draw in. Act like there's a string behind your belly button, pulling up. So don't suck in, draw in. Hold it, put your arms up a little bit. And I want you to twist. You're holding your breath.
Wait a minute.
Squeeze those abs, squeeze those abs.
Okay.
There you go, you're doing it.
Get my parts.
Hey, please.
And it's a little uncomfortable if you
It-
haven't
it
done this
hurts.
before. Yes.
It hurts.
But the more you do it, the better it is. And you're tightening those
What do you think?
abs.
She's looking, Renata's looking at your belly and thinking about this here.
Every day, before I go to bed, I do 5 sets of 20. Now start out with 3 sets of 10
Okay.
to begin with because 20 is
You
hard.
got to hold your breath the
Right.
whole time.
Hold your breath.
You guys think it's easy. Audience, please stand.
Yes,
they all
let's
look all
try it out.
Come on,
Yeah.
what's the big deal?
Yeah.
All right, let's just
You
see you all
try
do
it.
this, all right? We're going to do this
All right.
out the break.
Here we go.
So take us through it from the beginning. Everyone at
you're
home,
gonna
please
breathe
get up.
in.
Just try it once with us. This is all this woman is doing to look like this. You know what, Chris? I've had it. All right, come on now. Come
All
on,
right,
Chris,
there
do
you
it
go.
out.
There you
Come
go.
on.
Come on. Oh, boy.
There you go.
There we
Come
go.
on, come on, Renata.
There you go.
All right, come on now.
Get him up there. Get up here, Doc.
Let's go. Let's go.
Here we
Let's
go.
go. Ready?
Okay, so we're gonna inhale
That's all I
a lot of
got.
air, bring all the air into your lungs, fill them up, and then exhale, let everything out. Now draw in, hold it, and twist.
Parts.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.